I'm going to show you how to knit these snow angels using only the knit stitch, making them a very beginner-friendly project. You will need yarn, knitting needles, a wooden bead, scissors and a tapestry needle. First, you need to cast on 8 stitches. If you don't know how to cast on or need a refresher, we have a step-by-step video on our YouTube channel that I will link in the description box below. Then you have to knit all stitches until it is as high as it is wide, so until you've made a square. If this is your first time knitting, I will link the how to knit video in the description box as well. If you already know how to knit, then you can make straight edges, like I'm doing in this video, by slipping the first stitch of every row and purling the last stitch of every row. You don't have to make straight edges if you don't want to, both will look very nice. When you have your square, for the next row, knit 2 together 4 times, so your 8 stitches will become 4 stitches. For the row after, knit 2 together 2 times. You now have 2 stitches left on your needle. Cut the end off by leaving 30 centimeters. Insert the yarn end into your tapestry needle. Remove the knitting needle carefully and insert the tapestry needle into the 2 open loops and pull tight. Set aside for later. Now we will make the wings. Cast on 6 stitches and knit a rectangle that's twice as high as it is wide. Then cast off all stitches. The next step is to hide the ends of your 2 knitted parts. All ends except the 30 cm long one, which we will use for sewing the 2 parts together. To sew the 2 parts together, insert the long yarn end into your tapestry needle. Then wrap it around the center of your rectangle several times. This will create the shape of the wings. To create the cord, insert the tapestry needle into the yarn that's just been wrapped around. You can adjust the length of the cord to your liking. When you're happy with it, insert the needle under the yarn one more time to block it, then hide the end behind the wings. To finish, add the bead on the cord, and you're done.